what I did was a muffler delete, which means I removed both rear mufflers, kept the mid-muffler or the resonator stock, and then just added two small, vibrant, ultra quiet resonators in the rear. Without those, it sounds horrible. It sounds very loud, and the drone inside the cabin is unbearable. Here's underneath the car again, and shows the custom exhaust. So you can see, no more muffler, no more real mufflers. Custom piping into these vibrant, ultra quiet resonators, one on each side. My exhaust sounds the nicest when you have it in sport mode and then on manual. What happens is the car keeps it in gear and will not change it to auto when you keep it in manual position. So you're forced to use the paddle shifters. So if you're driving and you're having it on maybe second or third gear, let off the gas, you will get the burbles and some pops. And I'm pretty happy that I didn't have to spend $2,500, maybe $3,000 on a performance exhaust. Well, this could achieve almost the same thing. On idle, there might not be enough load for it to sound properly, but if you're going on the road, you could definitely hear it. Here it is while idle. Again, when the car is under load, it sounds way better.